Hello there, everyone. Welcome to Makers Create project. This project I'm super excited to share with you all. This is a true home decor piece. You can absolutely marry the home decor with scrapbooking here, guys, in terms of memory keeping. But this is gorgeous. You are going to absolutely love this once it's completely done. It's a clock style camera. It's completely finished in the back with a latch and door uh, opening here. Look at all of this open space you have here if you wanted to do an album or a folio in here. All you had to do is put another drop panel in here so you can access this mechanism right here. But there's a ton of room back there if you wanted to put an album, or just leave it as it was designed, which is a home decor piece. Jane Andrews, who created this gorgeous piece for us. So really beautiful. This is a substantial piece. Here's my 12-inch ruler. All right, so 12 right here, approximately giving you a rough 15, a little under 15 inches. And at the tallest point, at the lowest point here is 9.5, and tallest point about 11. So beautiful piece. This clock face, oh my gosh, is 7.25 inches this way, not diameter, but wide. Love, absolutely adore it. It's gorgeous, and it's really lightweight, so that's also super, super nice. I would love to put this on my mantle, but I think Jane wants it back. So Jane Andrews, guys, I can't wait to see your take on this camera clock. Enjoy making this project. I hope you guys love it. Let me know what you think about it below. And if you're making one of these, this is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.